Durable dads, brothers from other mothers, and sisters from different misters. As promised, we're going to go through another Chronicles of Lou, the origin story. I hinted last drop that I was heading to Lake Country to get some rims. Well, that is what's happening today. I'm super stoked. It's going to be a nice drive. The day is pretty good. Sunny enough. We're going to get some good vistas. I'll try and get some scenic shots when stop to, stretch my legs. It's only about an hour and 45 to 2 hour drive. So let's see how this goes. I will catch you next clip. Okay, what we have behind me here is Monty Lake. We're right off the highway. This is the easy part to get into. There's RVs kicking around. This is a great little spot to stop and stretch your legs. Not far out of, it's maybe 40 minutes out of Kamloops. We still got most of the journey to Lake Country to go. But you know what? Here's a little gratuitous lake footage because, I can't help myself. Anyways, the journey continues. Catch you next clip. Since I'm apparently really good at letting other people do the work, Finn here, that I've gotten the rims and tires off, it looks like those are A, sexy rims, and B, let's do an extreme close-up. It looks like there's enough tread to get us through the summer. Excellent. Yeah, these are going to look good. Again, get in the wild with Kyle coming on down, and Finn over there, the benefactor of that, benefactor of my money for these things, bringing them down. I guess I should probably stop this and get to work helping. It's totally true that getting rims and tires and picking them up and whipping them in the back of Lou brews up a mighty hunger. So, you know what? Here outside of Buster's Pizza and Donair, and I'm stoked to try one, a donair that'll fill me up for the rest of the trip. Get some refuel. I'll let you guys know how it is, because this has the potential of being a favorite stop when I'm down this way. Okay, I'm not one to put a lot of gratuitous food clips in or anything, but I just wanted to insert this simply because this thing's a monster. Okay, can confirm that was absolutely amazing. I am stuffed. I had the super mega or whatever they called that, the jumbo with cheese. It was amazing. I had a beef donair. I can hardly think straight. My hangriness is gone. I'm stuffed, happy, and headed for a tire shop. Okay, my recommendation for pizza or Buster's Pizza and Donair, it's a go. I will be coming back here again. Okay, it is really windy right now, and I'm going to try and get, well, I was waiting until there was less wind, so I pulled off to the side of the road, and I just kind of wanted to do, not quite a walk around, but a little shot of Lou with her new boots. Now, I picked these up used, and they've got a little dents and scars, but then again, so does Lou. They look pretty good, and I love it, and they're riding nice. They're a little bit wider tire. They're a 285 or a 33, which gives it a little bit wider stance. The offset rims means they don't rub. She drives all together much different. Looking good. Can't wait to roll home. Cheers. Catch you next clip. What's after a new set of boots on the old girl? A full detail and wash, of course, because sometimes it's not about a full engine swap or some massive overhaul. It's the little upgrades that make the biggest difference. So, mission successful. A fun trip, there was some good food, and good times. It's in the books. Me, the passenger, and Lou. Same miles, same scars, but rolling clean. And maybe that's the point. You don't always need a new model. Just a reason to keep investing in what still works.
Keep it running. Keep it clean. Make it durable. I'm Mike. This is Lou. And you're watching Durable Dads. Peace out, Scout.